How to fix Instagram help us confirm your own this account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Instagram, which help us to confirm you own this account. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and you have to search for Instagram app. Then on the open option, there is any update written. Then you have to update your app and you have to go for the app permission. On the app permission, you have to allow your camera while using this app, and you can allow your contact here, and also you have to allow the media, and you can allow your location, and you have to allow the microphone while using this media. After that, you have to go back. After that, you have to click on notification setting, and you have to allow your notification setting. So to confirm your own account, so to confirm you own your Instagram account, you also have to clear your data and cache. If that also doesn't solve your problem, then force stop your app. So that's the process how to fix Instagram. Help us confirm you own this account on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.